is a baby. Look at her. She's like nudging for more pets, Vivian.
Yeah.
And she was like this from the beginning with you, right, Viv?
Mm-hmm.
It was so crazy. She just liked you from the beginning.
Right away when I sat down on the couch.
I know. She just ran up.
Just jumped on me. She hates other people, but she likes me.
I know. Oh,
My friend.
yeah. I couldn't even get her out of bed this morning. She was being so lazy, and then she saw Viv, and she came running out dancing.
That is funny.
Oh, Keiko. You're such a handful.